Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today on this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make a chicken pizza at home without an oven. It is a very straightforward recipe. Keep on watching to learn this. Thank you so much for being here from the video. And to start off, I'm making the sauce, and I just blended some tomatoes, garlic, onions. I added some olive oil, and I'm just letting that cook. And here I'm just preparing the chicken, so go ahead, cut your chicken into cubes, and then you're just going to let it dry up the water before going ahead to add crushed garlic and spices of your choice. And after that, you're just going to mix, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. Oh, do not forget to add some cooking oil and also add some onions, and you're just going to give this a very good mix before adding in some water. And after adding some water, you're just going to cover the pot and let the chicken cook. And here I start preparing the dough. So to make the dough, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To that I add salt and cooking oil, and I have warm water because I'll be adding yeast. The purpose of yeast is to let the dough rise when making the pizza. And so I used 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. I prefer this yeast, it gets the work done. And I'm just going to mix, ensuring everything comes together nicely before going ahead to start adding the warm water. And you knead the dough until it's ready. Apply some oil on the dough, and then you're going to place it back on the bowl, and then you cover it and leave it for 30 minutes to rise. And after while that is cooking, I had to check my chicken, and the chicken was ready, and so was the sauce that I'm just going to show you guys. Here is the chicken. It looks so good, everything is perfect. I'm going to list the spices that I used, and this is the sauce. Like you can see, most of the water has evaporated and the sauce is ready. Now this is the dough. Like you can see, it has risen and it is soft enough, and you're just going to roll it out like you see me doing here, guys. And I don't know why this video, like, it's, I don't know, the frame, it doesn't look right, but you're just going to roll that out, and then you're going to prick with a fork just so that the dough doesn't fluff up when you're baking. And you're just going to place it on a pan like you see here. And after that, guys, you're just going to start assembling the pizza. Just go ahead and add the tomato sauce, and then you're going to spread it out like you see here. And then go ahead and start adding I use mozzarella cheese that I have grated. Just go ahead and add it, then add the chicken, and then add more cheese. Here you can add the green, yellow, and red bell peppers. They go perfectly well, or you can use the veggies of your choice. And here I'm just adding more cheese because I love cheese a lot. And this pizza is going to be a very simple one. It's not complicated. Now you're going to cover the pot, and then you're going to, you see the pot has a small hole, the lid. So you're just going to cover it with a small piece of paper, and then you're going to place the fire. You're going to place the pan on low flame and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now this is 15 minutes later, and like you can see, the pizza looks perfect. We're just going to remove it from the pan, and then we're going to cut it and serve it. And like you can see, the pizza looks so good. It's very well cooked, guys. And these are just photos of the same. It looks so perfect. It is so easy to make, guys. I'm sure you can tell from the video. And I like so much, I liked the pizza so much. So I'm just going to cut it, and so that I can show you how it looks. Like you can see, the red sauce looks so good. So I'm just going to cut the pizza so you can see how it looks, guys. And it looks so good. It was so yummy. So I'm just going to show you the crust part of the pizza, and you're going to see that it cooks evenly. So if you do not have a pan, an oven, do not stress about making pizza. You can always make with your stovetop, and the pizza is going to be perfect. Thank you for